Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Jenna. Let me quickly show you what we're gonna need today. A shower cap, a strainer, 2 bananas, a white tooth comb, a bowl, and here I have a regular cooking oil. Then I have a rinse out conditioner and a blender. You want to put everything together and it should look like this when you're done. Let's pour it out. I made way too much. This is how it looked like, a close up of it. I still have like a half left, which I'm gonna put in my fridge. Let's do a consistent test. Look how creamy and foamy that looked like. Yum. And let's just go ahead and put it in our hair. This is how it looked like before I start, and it smells so good. What I'm gonna do now is just like separate my hair and put them all in small sections so I can work section by section. Just start with one and walk myself through. This is my freshly washed hair with no product, just like water remaining. I'm just gonna start from the ends and walk myself through towards the end, towards the roots of my hair. I make sure that I concentrate myself more on the ends of my hair. Remember that conditioner are not made to be on your scalp, so that's why I'm taking my time to apply it on my hair and detangle gentle. I am just going to repeat all the step all over my hair, and then detangle. I first detangle with my fingers by trying to pull it out slowly out of each other, and then I go ahead with my white tooth comb, starting from the tip to the roots. And after I'm done, I'm just gonna this is a close-up. I'm trying to just show off my curls. I'm just gonna twist that part and put it in a bandeau knot and repeat everything. And after that, I'm just gonna put like a shower cap on top and leave it sit in for 60 minutes. After that, I'm just gonna rinse it out, and that's it. So that's it. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the videos and watch, and I'm just gonna shut my mouth, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you very much. So before you guys continue watching this video, I just want to come ahead and give you guys some benefits of using banana for your hair. A banana dip conditioner is known to have a great hydration and shine enhancing benefit, especially when you mix it with honey, which in this part I didn't use honey at all. But if you wish to use a honey, you can use up to a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. First warm that up, and then you add it into the mixture that you already had. A banana dip conditioner is also known to help with frizz hair, if you have like frizz hair, and it help with dandruff. In order to get a great effect, I can speak. To get a great effect from banana, you want those banana that are really ripe, like almost rotten. But believe me, you want those bananas. And after that, you just apply it to your hair, and make sure you leave it in your hair for a minimum of 5 minutes to up to 60 minutes. Also, always make sure that the banana you blend is super smooth, and that's why I use a strainer. I actually use like a broken tide of mine. So, and also at the end, you want to make sure if you have a low porosity hair that you cover it up with a plastic bag or a shower cap, or you can sit under a steamer to get like the maximum hydration, and so that it can really penetrate into our low porosity hair. I actually kept it for exactly 60 minutes, and then I just went ahead and just rinse it out without using any other product, and just tied my hair up. Keep it in for up to 60 minutes, ladies. This is how it looked like after I just rinse it out. I left the section the way they are and just end up tying my hair up. I'm looking forward to keep it like this for the next few days. So that said, that's already it to this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you very much. Bye.